Hello all, welcome to my channel, and as usual, new device on review. It's purchased by myself, so I paid for it. So as usual, honest review. It's UNI-T Pocket Multimeter, like they say, UT123. So let's see immediately what is inside. What is this? Some user manual. I will lie if I tell you that I didn't read. I did. In manual you will not find any information about precision of this device. Usual but very small test leads. They are elastic and not intended to be used for high current, so we could test them if they leak, no problem. It's really small. Look at it. Temperature probe. I assume it's up to 300 degrees. Nothing fancy. Does it work? No, it needs batteries. Okay. Two batteries. Fine. It's working. Pretty much bright display, which looks nice. Does not have stand, so it cannot stand like this. It must stay like this. Let's take this. So let's start from continuity. Not bad, and even light is there. That is positive. What it says for his test leads 000. Okay, 01. Let's see what it says for this. 01, 05, 1 ohm, 1.1, 1.0. Okay, 100 kilo ohm. It does not measure it. It is not automatic, so let's change to kilo ohm. 99.3, it's okay. 1 mega ohm, 10 mega ohm. Yeah, quite nice. That is okay. It's not declared as a true RMS, so I assume it's not true RMS. It's 4000 counts. It have a non-contact detection. We will see how good that it is. What else it can measure? That only voltage and ohm meter. Ohm meter working nice. That's okay. What going to happen with this? If I measure main, no red light, like warning, nothing, but it measure high voltage and so it's okay. How it do DC? Can it do millivolts? Let me see. What is sensitivity of voltmeter? Okay, 10 millivolts for first test. Let's see. Look at this. 10 millivolts. Fine. How it do with higher voltage? Let me see. 16 volts going to be fed. So 16 volts, not bad. Let me just go a little more. $50.8, exactly 50.8. It says 50.9, so it's fine. Reading voltage, it do the job. Temperature, how it's going to deal with that. My body temperature will be reference. It should measure between my fingers at least 34, but no. Let me see here. So I assume my body temperature is around 36 degrees. So it's look at it, how hard I pressed. So it's not so precise, but for reference can be used. Some reference. If it is 0.0 to 300, like said in guide, 300 degrees, it should measure more precise temperature, but okay. And NCV test. You see, nothing from here, but from here, yes. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Non-contact detection working fine. So people, final words about this one. Priced at 15 euros, which offer only DC AC voltage measurement, precise measurement, ohm, very precise measurement, temperature, not so precise, and non-contact detection, voltage detection, it's okay, but instrument failed to be true RMS, and also offers only 4000 counts. Displays nice, and view angle is very nice. It's okay, but 15 US dollars versus instruments which costs like 15 euros, like 10 to 12 euros. Zoe ZT111, Aneng, any from same series. These are practically same instruments, but this one offers NCV, while this one offers some basic signal generator. This one offers measurement temperature measurement also, while this one does not offer. Both are 9999 counts, true RMS, while this one is, both are cheaper than UNI-T, and UNI-T can't compete with these two. That is what I say, because this one also very precise in all things they measure, very precise. They can compete even with 500 euros instruments regarding precision. However, this one should be in same range like this one, but does not offer enough features like this one. And instrument is okay, it working very well, however does not worth that money. That is what I say. If you're going to planning to buy something pocket sized, these are your choice, should be your choice, not this one. that is all what I have to say at the end, and thank you for watching, and see you soon with new video.